Hello, this is the first part of the presentation of the Cali Biodiversa Project, a technological proposal for the design and construction of a PostGIS geoviewer and spatial database for the Cali, Colombia 2021 Tree Census and its associated fauna and flora in terms of biodiversity. A proposal from the M.a.g.i.c Foundation for the application to the Ebbe Nielsen Challenge of the Global Biodiversity Information Facility (GBIF). Introduction. The technological proposal for a GeoWeb portal and a spatial database for consultation and analysis of biodiversity in the city of Cali, Colombia, is an initiative developed by the M.a.g.i.c Foundation that seeks to provide decision makers, researchers, the educational community, private firms, community leaders, and citizens in general a tool of digital maps hosted in the cloud through which they can explore and study the information from the Censo Arbóreo de Cali 2021 and the biodiversity of fauna and flora associated with the different urban spaces of the city of Cali, interactively and jointly with the data published by the Global Biodiversity Information Facility for the district territory of Cali. The Cali Biodiversa geoviewer proposal is therefore a digital map website which was developed using the ArcGIS Online server. Let's enter the geoviewer. This is the link or URL of the geoviewer on the ArcGIS Online server. The digital map that we can see on the screen is the initial interface of the geoviewer that contains the territorial information of the city of Cali in terms of urban and rural land use and the 291,000 records of the arboreal census, tree census of the district of Cali in Colombia, and also houses the data on mammalian, reptile, amphibian, insect, and pollinator biodiversity resources from the GBIF database. We are going to exemplify the first functionality of the geoviewer, through which users can interactively and jointly consult the information from both the tree census and the GBIF backbone of each reported species. For this, a normalization process of the scientific names of the tree species reported in the tree census against the GBIF backbone was carried out in the project workflow, the usefulness of which derives from the fact that users can consult the API file of the GBIF for each species of interest and thus provide the focus groups with a tool for consultation and interactive and joint analysis of the Cali Tree Census together with the data from the GBIF backbone. This is the first development goal of the SQL code and the geoviewer. For the record that we have selected on the map belonging to the Cali Tree Census, we can consult the identification of the location neighborhood, the comuna, a common or vernacular and scientific name of the species, the age of the tree specimen, the urban location, the height of the tree, the diameter of chest height, the diameter of the cup or the crown, the geographical coordinates of the location point, the public toilet operator in charge, and other important information. Likewise, there is the unique identification code of the species in the GBIF backbone, in this case Licania tomentosa or OIT, and the link or URL of the GBIF file for this taxon. Through this link, the file on the backbone of this tomentosa species is opened And in this way, users can consult in an interactive and joint way both the public information of the Cali Tree Census that was compiled and is administered by the Environmental Authority of the District of Cali, Departamento Administrativo de Gestión del Medio Ambiente, and they can expand the information through the GBIF backbone for each species consulted. We can see here how we have the file of the taxon in the GBIF backbone with photographic records, distribution map in Colombia and in the world, bibliography, botanical description, etc. Thus, the proposal aims to provide a joint cartographic record of both the Cali Tree Census and the GBIF backbone to contribute to the use of the GBIF data to complement the environmental management of urban and rural